Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Engineering Today is powered by software. It asks what we use to design everything from towering skyscrapers and powerful machines to simulating real-world conditions and managing incredibly complex projects. In this video, I am going to walk you through the 5 best engineering software programs that every engineering student and professional should know in 2026. Whether you're in mechanical, civil, electrical, or a mix of fields, these tools are the industry standard and will add huge value to your skill set. Let's get started. First, why is engineering software so important? Simply put, it helps engineers work faster, reduce costly errors, and visualize our ideas long before a single piece of metal is cut or a single brick is laid. With the right tools, engineers can design complex systems with incredible accuracy, run simulations to test performance under all kinds of conditions, and ultimately save a ton of time and money on project costs. It also makes collaborating with teams, whether they're in the next room or across the globe, super efficient. Now, let's jump into the top tools used by engineers worldwide. First on our list is AutoCAD, developed by the industry giant Autodesk. AutoCAD is one of the most widely used computer-aided design, or CAD, tools on the planet. It's an absolute staple for civil, mechanical, electrical, and architectural engineers. Its primary use is for 2D drafting and creating basic 3D models. Think of it as the digital drawing board for engineers. Its key features include incredibly precise drawing tools, layer management to keep complex drawings organized, and compatibility with pretty much every industry file format you'll encounter. If you're just starting your engineering journey or your job involves technical drawings and schematics, AutoCAD is a must-learn software. It's the foundational language of engineering design. Next up is SolidWorks, a powerhouse 3D modeling tool used mainly in mechanical and product design engineering. While AutoCAD is great for 2D, SolidWorks is where you go to bring your ideas to life in 3 dimensions. It allows engineers to create highly detailed 3D parts, assemble them into working machines, and then generate the technical drawings needed for manufacturing, but it doesn't stop there. SolidWorks also includes powerful simulation tools to test things like strength, motion, and how different materials will behave under stress. This software is heavily used in the manufacturing, automotive, and product development industries. If you're interested in mechanical design, industrial engineering, or creating the next great gadget, SolidWorks is an excellent choice. Number 3 on our list is MATLAB. Unlike the CAD-focused tools we just talked about, MATLAB is all about the numbers. It's a high-level programming environment widely used for data analysis, mathematical modeling, and complex simulations. It's especially popular in electrical, electronics, control systems, and research-based engineering fields. Engineers use MATLAB to analyze massive datasets, develop sophisticated algorithms, and simulate intricate systems with an incredibly high degree of accuracy. Think of it as a supercalculator on steroids. If your work involves a lot of calculations, modeling system behavior, or signal processing, then MATLAB is an exceptionally powerful tool to have in your arsenal. Coming in at number 4 is ANSYS, a leading simulation and analysis software. If you want to know how something will behave in the real world before you build it, ANSYS is the tool for the job. It's used to simulate a huge range of physical conditions, like structural stress on a bridge, heat dissipation in a computer chip, fluid flow over an airplane wing, and even electromagnetics. Industries like aerospace, automotive, and civil engineering rely heavily on ANSYS to test and validate their designs before committing to expensive prototypes or construction. It helps answer critical questions like, will this part break under pressure, or is this design efficient? If you want to specialize in the deep dive world of engineering analysis and simulation, learning ANSYS will give you a strong competitive advantage in the job market. And number 5 on our list is Autodesk Revit, a building information modeling software, often just called BIM. Revit is the go-to tool for civil engineers, architects, and construction professionals. It allows entire teams to design and manage buildings and infrastructure projects in a single, intelligent 3D model. This isn't just a 3D drawing. The model contains real-world information about every component. You can manage the structural frame, the electrical wiring, and the plumbing systems all in one integrated environment. This level of coordination is revolutionary as it drastically improves collaboration and helps catch potential clashes or errors before construction even begins. If you're interested in construction, infrastructure, or the future of smart building design, Revit is absolutely essential. So, with all these great options, how do you choose the right engineering software for you? It really depends on your specific field and your long-term career goals. Ask yourself a few questions. First, what's my discipline? Am I in mechanical, civil, electrical, or something else? Second, what do I need the software for? Do I need tools for design, simulation, or data analysis? And third, what's my current role? Am I a student trying to build foundational skills or a working professional needing to specialize? The good news is, mastering even one of these powerful tools can significantly boost your engineering career and open up new opportunities. To summarize, our top 5 engineering software picks for 2026 are AutoCAD, SolidWorks, MATLAB, ANSYS, and Revit. These tools are trusted by companies and universities worldwide and are used in real, impactful engineering projects every single day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more content, and share it with your fellow engineers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.